Bathrooms can be the most dangerous place in the house after the kitchen. So 80% of all falls occur in your house. They're the most common cause of traumatic brain injury. 50% of people over the age of 65 will have a fall leading to death. Most falls occur on the same level, not on a ladder. 20 to 30% of falls lead to hip fractures, cuts, and bruising. Falls inside the home lead to hip fractures. Outside the home, it leads to forearm fractures. So the biggest issue is safety in the bathroom. Again, eliminate scatter rugs and instead use a non-skid carpet that goes across the entire floor. Put non-skid strips or those daisies into the shower tub floor. Apply a drilled in grab bar at the entry and exit side of the shower. There are grab bars that have grids on them as opposed to a smooth bar. The grid is, in my opinion, it's better because it allows you something more substantial to grip onto and not slide down. The other thing is they have grab bars that suction cup on. If you really need that grab bar and you grab that, you can't be sure that the suction cup's going to hold. You really want somebody to put a grab bar into the stud in your bathroom. A handheld shower. So sometimes showers can be disorienting. If you're giving a patient a shower, a handheld shower works a lot better. A shower seat with a back goes into the shower that you sit down on. If you can't find one, they are available on Amazon, but they're also, you can use a backyard chair with no arms because it's waterproof. Put it in the tub. If it fits flush onto the floor, as long as you've got something to sit on, but you want a back. If you have somebody that has a stroke and needs to transfer into the tub, you want a bath bench. And that's something that extends outside of the tub, allows you to sit down on the outside, swing your legs in and slide over. At no point do you have to stand up. I like soap on a rope. And I don't know if you've seen it, but soap on a rope means you're not going to drop the soap onto the floor of your shower that you're going to have to bend down to possibly fall to get it. The other thing is they have a suction cup gadget that we used to refer to as an octopus. It's a little round circle and it has little baby suction cups on both sides. It goes against the side of the shower wall and the soap can stick against it. And that too prevents the soap from falling to the floor. You want to make sure that dry towels are within reach. You want to have a phone nearby, or if you are in the same house as somebody that's taking a shower, get a baby monitor, turn the baby monitor on, and listen to the person in the shower. If they need you, you want to be able to hear them. The other thing, finally, is to ask the pharmacist for large print on your prescription medications. And they will do it for you. You just say you have vision problems and you want them to put the medication in large print.